Alright, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Melodyne 5 Studio full version on your Mac M1, M2 and Intel. I got my download from extraplugins.com. It's a really amazing website. They offer the lifetime activation and access to download. That's mean once you paid, you can download it for lifetime. They offer the future free updates, full version, instant download, and 24/7 live chat support as well. In case you're having some issue, they're gonna help you right away. You can also check their reviews over here. There's a bunch of good reviews as well. You can see all the reviews. That means the people bought from this website and they just giving the positive things. All right, so after you got your download, the first thing you need to do is open and run the software center like this. Then double click on the key icon and type your Mac password and hit enter. Once it says the process completed, that's right, you have to go to the next step and run the setup just like that and install it. All right, after that you need to restart your computer. All right, after restarting your computer, you can actually start using the plugin. Open your DAW and I'm gonna test it for you as well. Go to the plugins and go to the plugin list, and there you can see the Melodyne. Double click and we can see it's a full version right here, and it's a Melodyne Studio, so it's a lifetime activated. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm gonna catch you in my next video. Peace.